A sewing machine comes with a basic sewing kit or some sewing accessories, but how to use them, what all would be there, what is the basic accessories or sewing kit that you need even if the company hasn't provided for it, and if any part is lost, misplaced or broken, where you can get it and how you can get it and how best you can take care of your sewing kit. I will explain all these things in this video. Some sewing machines come with very basic sewing kit and sewing accessories, and some sewing machines come with more advanced and better accessories depending on the model of the machine you have chosen. This is a presser foot. This is white plastic electric sewing machine. Therefore, one presser foot comes with it, and then in this free arm you get one pouch, and here you get a free sewing kit. It has a few pieces. I show you what they are. Most important thing you get is 3 or 4 pieces of bobbin, and these are empty, so you have to wind them, you have to fill them with a thread. So you can have basic thread, white and black, plus gray and cream color. Then this straight stitch foot is used for designing, decorating stitches, embroidery stitches and zigzag stitches. So this is basically very important. Presser foot comes with every sewing machine, no matter which one you have. This is also very common presser foot. This is piping foot or zipper foot, cording foot. So this will be stitching one side. This one comes with some machines and not with all machines. This is your rolled hem or picot foot. So here you have a groove in the middle of this presser foot. These are just snap-on feet. Even this buttonhole maker, here you fix the button, and this is automatic buttonhole maker. You can easily make buttonhole of any size, whatever button size you are fixing on your dress. The same size of the buttonhole you can make on your dress. Then you get this screwdriver to open and fix the screws. This small thing, this plastic thing, it is a hem guide or stitch guide. When you use a simple presser foot for stitching, straight stitching, you fix this plastic thing, this hem guide, in the middle of the presser foot, and while making straight stitch, it helps you make very even straight stitches, and it is very useful even for the beginner learners as well as for the advanced ones. So if you want me to explain it in detail, let me know in the comment section. This is seam ripper. While you stitch, many times the stitch is not as per your liking. You feel like removing the stitch and stitch it again, and that time this is owl or seam ripper. It is quite an accessory, very useful. After this, I also had one this size of a sewing machine oil. That oil has been finished, so I had thrown the bottle long back, so I don't have that bottle right now. So you can use other bottle for oiling the machine. Now these are the basic thing, and one more important thing, you get one twin needle and about 4 or 5 pieces, 4 pieces of 16 number needle, 14 number and 16 number. This twin needle, it is the 2 mm needle, like the two needles are 2 mm apart. You can make 2 stitches together while you stitch, and 16 number needle that you get with your machine, that is for regular everyday stitching. So one more thing I tell you that is important. So this is HA needle. It is very important to know that you need HA needle for your automatic sewing machines. It comes in a pack of 10, and the size, generally the size is 16. You can keep for everyday purpose, or if you want to stitch thinner fabrics, you can use 11 number or 14 number. For jeans and thicker fabrics, you can use 18 number or 16 number. If you pre-order the machine, then make sure you have 2 mm, 3 mm and 4 mm needle sizes, depending on the width you want between two stitches. So based on your requirement, you can choose the needle that you want. So these are the accessories sewing kit that comes with a sewing machine, standard sewing accessory box. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a detailed video showing how these accessories are used. I hope you like the video. Take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.